More than half an agent's work is the showings. There are many buyers, but rental clients are always steady and welcome. Today's client has just relocated for a new job in Manhattan. On the first day, we toured Jersey City, the second, Midtown, and today we're exploring downtown Brooklyn. With 6 buildings to see, it's going to be a busy day. I'm hoping we'll find the perfect home. The studios we're seeing are priced around the local market, typically between $3,500 to $4,000 a month. Since it's September and school semester just started, the rental market is relatively quiet. That's why landlords sometimes offer promotions like 1 or 2 months free on a 13 to 14-month lease. But since incentives vary between peak and off-peak seasons, it's hard to say when the best deal is available. Comparing apartments is always interesting. At the same price point, one unit may offer more space while another has better views. Older buildings are usually cheaper, while new ones come with top-notch amenities and a modern look. In New Jersey, $3,500 can get you much larger unit with excellent facilities. But some clients simply don't want to give up the New York lifestyle. In the end, it depends on your lifestyle priorities, which matter most to you. As it varies from city to city and country to country, New York City apartments typically come unfurnished, but you receive standard appliances such as a stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Washers and dryers are a luxury and not always found in the apartment. And if not, there's usually a laundry room, or in worst case, a laundromat down the street. Another key point is to check the amenities. Most buildings have gyms, lounges, and rooftops, but they're rarely included in the rent. Some charge mandatory fees, while others make them optional. Since costs can vary a lot, it's essential to confirm these details before signing a lease. After exploring several options, my client ended up finding an apartment he really liked. The next step is the application process, which in New York can be another challenge in itself. Hopefully, everything will go smoothly. And that wraps up today's rental tour in downtown Brooklyn. If you'd like to learn more about the rental process, and if you're relocating, check out my partner Jessica's videos. This has been Aaron, your relocation specialist.